It's no secret that Bitcoin has been called digital gold for well over a decade now. This comparison seems accurate, given their shared properties as rare resources that retain value over time. But if that's the case, why would anyone bother with actual gold at all? To answer this question, we need to look at why Bitcoin is referred to as digital gold and how each asset fulfills that role. Let's get into it. Bitcoin was practically unknown outside of online forums until the 2010s. However, as more people became aware of its features, they started seeing similarities between this new digital asset and one of humanity's oldest forms of currency, gold. So why do these two completely different assets share so many common traits? Well, let's examine 3 key reasons. 1. Scarcity. Gold is a scarce resource. There's only so much of it available, and mining new supplies is difficult and expensive. Bitcoin is also scarce since its supply is capped at 21 million coins, and new Bitcoin enters circulation at a decreasing rate. Both assets have a limited supply, which helps them maintain value. 2. Store of value. Gold has long been used as a way to store wealth. Because it's rare and valuable, people have trusted it to keep their money safe throughout history. Bitcoin was created with similar goals in mind. Its decentralized and transparent nature makes it resistant to censorship and devaluation. Additionally, it's becoming an increasingly popular option for preserving wealth. 3. Portability. Gold is portable enough to be used as currency, but it's heavy and bulky compared to Bitcoin. A few ounces of gold can fit in a small space, but it still takes up quite a bit of room. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is digital, meaning it can be sent anywhere in the world instantly. This makes it easier to use for everyday transactions. These 3 reasons show why Bitcoin is like gold, but there are also key differences between them. Gold has been around for thousands of years, and its value is based on tradition, culture, and human psychology. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a relatively new invention whose value comes from its features and utility. Despite this, the fact that it's rare, valuable, and portable has made it an attractive option for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. But not everyone agrees with this thesis. Some argue that Bitcoin is too volatile and risky to be considered a reliable store of value. Others say it doesn't yet have the cultural significance that gold does. However, supporters of Bitcoin as digital gold argue that its increasing popularity and usage are changing all of this. They point to studies showing that Bitcoin has outperformed gold in recent years, and that more millennials and Gen Z investors are choosing Bitcoin over traditional assets. The future of this debate will depend on how Bitcoin continues to develop. If it gains wider acceptance and becomes more stable, it may become a true alternative to gold. But if it loses popularity or suffers a major setback, its value may decline significantly. Only time will tell how this plays out. In conclusion, while there are some obvious differences between gold and Bitcoin, their similarities as rare, valuable, and portable assets are undeniable. As Bitcoin continues to grow in popularity and usage, the question of whether it can truly be a digital gold will become increasingly relevant for investors, economists, and society as a whole. If you found this video helpful, please remember to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. We would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.